No human touched this portfolio today. The bot made $28.72. Let me show you why. Today it bought ABCL, one order in total, all picked by the algorithm. For context, the bot's account typically moves about 1.4% a day, so today's 0.7% was a quiet, ordinary session. Zooming out, the account sits at $4,426.55, up $926.55, that's plus 26.5% since the experiment started. Every trade is decided by a genetic algorithm-optimized strategy. No gut feelings allowed. Here's the scorecard so far. Across 32 tracked days the bot has been green 45% of the time. Its best day gained 1.8%, its worst lost 6.4%, and right now the account is 8.8% below its peak of $4,852.76. It's now on a 4-day winning streak. Inside the book, 32% sits in a diversified ETF sleeve, the rest is the stock-picking engine, running at 91% invested. Top holdings are on screen. With 91% invested, the bot is leaning aggressively into this market. Its risk filters see more reward than danger right now. Remember, the strategy can't predict the future, it just sizes its bets to survive being wrong. Quick explainer on how this thing actually works. The bot ranks stocks by momentum, how strongly they've been trending, then only buys the leaders while the broad market is above its long-term average. When that trend breaks, it rotates into bonds and treasury bills instead of fighting the tape. Tomorrow the algorithm does it again. Subscribe to follow the experiment, one trading day at a time.